Welcome to the Pixbim Acapella Maker AI tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of creating your own acapella from any song. Let's get started. Download and install Pixbim Acapella Maker AI on your laptop or desktop. You can find the download link in the description below. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open Pixbim Acapella Maker AI and click on Load Audio. This is where you'll input the audio file of the song you want to work with. Simply select the song from your library. Now, let's initiate the magic. Click on Start Processing Audio and Save. This option will kickstart the vocal isolation process, and you can choose the location where you want to save the output. You can now access the isolated vocal or acapella, along with other musical stems like bass, guitar, piano, and drums.